Yes, I don't nog mig, nog mig, nog mig. Yes, I don't.
Well, there's one thing I can say. I'm going where the shadows won't follow me all the way. And if the blood starts to hiccup, unholy ceremonies through my name, it wasn't the reason I had capsized on your fame. I was spilling all the dice from a heavenly bout of rain. I didn't think you knew how to look inside my drain. So if the branches start flowing in directions not for you, remember where I'm going and why you're going to. Because I've never even known where it is I should go now. Because I've never even known where it is I should go. And if the moonlight follows you blithely, glibly, and with an attitude, I remember just to trust that